If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hi folks, Larry here and welcome back to a pen review. Today I'm going to be doing the Mont Blanc 149 fountain pen with a broad nib, which came from Pen Boutique. I do love the Mont Blanc brand myself. On my list, it's top of the notch. I love the way it looks, I love the way it feels, I love the way it handles and writes. I can write long sessions in my hands don't get tired. For me, Mont Blanc just works. Is Mont Blanc for everyone? Well, that's up to the individual with their own opinion. This is just my opinion, okay? So let's open it up. It comes in this box here. And of course, Mont Blanc on it. And then you have your brochure manual about your pen and how to service it and where it came from. It has your individual number from Pen Boutique. And of course, if you're interested in Pen Boutique, check out www.penboutique.com. And the phone number there is 410-992-3272. Tell them that Larry sent you, the Pen Bug guy. And they'll probably say, the who? Oh well, doesn't hurt. Oh, Pen Bug me. But anyway, really a cool place, a fun place. And the salesmen out there, they'll make your day, I think. They're fun. So, there's that. So let's get to the real deal. Nice, beautiful presentation pen case that it comes in. I love the look, the feel of it. Yes, Mont Blanc goes all the way out in the pen case presentation, and they should. They're Mont Blanc, right? So here we go, the real deal. I've been dying to ink this little jewel up, so let's get going and ink it up. Can't show you right now. La la la. Are you ready, Mr. Announcer?
Yes.
Ta-da! Here it is. Now this one has the gold trim. My top of the line trim work would be rose gold, but I went with just the gold right now. And unless it comes in this box and like a nice foam to keep it in place so it wouldn't go all over the place. And let's see this, my friends. Nothing in it in the bottom. So we're going to take that little jewel out. And we'll put it up, and we're going to ink this little pen up and see how it writes, which I always expect great things from Mont Blanc. Yeah, they're a high-end pen, but that's just one of them that are high-end, because there's many other pens that are high-end people buy, so here we go. Before I do, I want to bring out the Jinhao 159. And I'm thinking, can they get a good look without it running around? Here we go. Because I like to bring this out right here. Okay, here we go. Just to show you a comparison right here. The Jinhao 159. On the right here. On the left is the Mont Blanc 149. And of course the Jinhao 159 has a bit more girth to the pen, the barrel, as well as the cap. And they come with a chrome trim work on it. Mont Blanc has the gold trim work on it. The Jinhao has their name in it, like the Mont Blanc has theirs. and the Jinhao has their logo on top, where the Mont Blanc has theirs on top. Again, the Jinhao has their logo on top of the clip, and I put B for broad because on the nib it doesn't show the broad side, so I won't forget it. Now the Mont Blanc, it does have B for broad on the bottom, but eventually that will come off, and then I'll have a time to try to find out what nib it is. But usually you can tell, you know, a fine, extra fine, medium, broad, whatever, when you start writing with it. The Jinhao 159 unscrew, as does the Mont Blanc 149. Now let's put them together. Big thing here. Look at that nice huge nib on it. And this is the Jinhao. Now the Jinhao 159 has upgraded to an XL, I believe, or a L. What, 159? It could be an X 159. But their nibs to a size 8 or 9, I believe. One of the two. I'd have to look it up in my notes, which makes a huge difference. But you can tell these nibs are amazing. Beautiful work. I love the detail on the nib. It really makes that nib stand out. Of course, it has the 4810, the Jinhao logo on it, and it does have the AR750. I'm trying to see. Beautiful detail done in this nib. I'm feeling it. I am feeling it. This is a piston filler, where this is a converter. And we'll close this right back up. Keep it safe. So I've been waiting to get this ready, inked up and go, because I'm ready. I don't know about you, but when I'm ready, end the story, it's going to happen. Isn't that right, Mr. Announcer?
Mm-hmm.
Now, I do have some Mont Blanc nib cleaners, the little cloth thing, you stick them off and clean them, that a friend of mine, Bill, thank you, Bill, so much, has sent me a while back. So here we go. Let's hope I don't spill it. That's all I need. Wouldn't be the first, wouldn't be the last. Here we go. I love these pens. I really, really do. But, you know, to each their own. And I'm using some Mont Blanc Arch Green, one of my favorites. Do I like all the Mont Blanc inks? No, but I like quite a few that I'm really happy with. All right. Now, let me see here. Oh, I'm so excited. I got my baby inked up and ready to ride. So, we're going to ride. So, I'm going to do it on 3 different types of paper. What do you say about that? Good, 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 good. I'm going to use a planner that a friend of mine sent me, a few months back. Here we go. First time to paper. I think that's a 14K. And the ink Really nice, smooth. It lays down that ink. A few little swirls, good ink flow. Reverse. And you don't get any reverse to speak of. But there you have it. The beautiful, elegant Mont Blanc 149, the leader of the pack. Their flagship right here. To me, it didn't get any sweeter than this. And again, my opinion. All right? So with that said, peace and love to all. Be kind to your stranger, and please don't text and drive. Take care, my friends.